Hello, champion. Do you know in today's world it is no longer a simple task to develop a professional CV, rather it has become an art. The recruiters all across the globe have already mastered the art of screening CVs fast, and all we need to do now is to actually master the art of development of that professional CV. You know, it is not actually about how much content we add on the CV or how much past experience we have. Rather, it is all about how convenient and customized we make this CV for that firm or for that recruiter. So when the recruiter actually lays their eyes on the CV, they are unconsciously obliged to take out your CV from that pile or from that massive list of CVs on their computer screens. Millions of people all across the globe actually land on their dream destinations and dream jobs annually. And if you're watching this video, you can be the next lucky one. In this course, we won't be actually directly jumping on to how we are supposed to develop a professional CV. Rather, we would be starting off by understanding some tips in order to control our minor stress, our minor anxiety and emotions. And we would be looking up to some tips in order to develop a growth mindset, keeping today's COVID-19 suffer market in mind. We won't be simply learning to make a professional CV, rather we would be mastering the art of development of a professional CV by actually starting off to understand its basic design, format, its content and description, and even up to the slightest details of even the touch and feel of the paper, so that when the recruiter is going to start skimming through your CV, they would actually fall in love with that CV and call you for that interview. So as a whole, what overall content would be covered in this course? Imagine you're going to participate in a 100-meter race. You're going to come up and stand at the start of the track. You'll be fiercely running through your competition and you would be winning the gold medal. After winning the gold medal, you will be thinking that how you're supposed to get to the Olympiad and make your name throughout your career, right? So the point when you're going to come up and stand and start at the start of the track, that is the part where your CV and the love letter is. Your cover letter is known to be the love letter. So this love pair of your CV and cover letter is going to actually help you come up and stand at the start of the track. And then you'll be looking on your right, you'll be looking on your left, and there would be a lot of people standing there wearing masks, right? So now this track is the actual interview. So we would be mastering the art of actually giving an impactful interview using psychology. And by the end, when you would be actually landing on the job, that is the point where we would be looking at some tips in order to get promotions and get successful on the job fast. So by the end, as a bonus, we would be actually looking and understanding some points in order to understand our basic personality, our personality traits, our strengths and weaknesses, so that we would be in a position to understand our passions. So that after understanding our passions, we would be in a strong position to actually pursue our educational career or our professional career, or we would be in a position to actually understand what job is perfectly fit for us. Because you know what? It is not actually about what we are good at in life. Rather, it is all about what actually makes us feel alive in life. So by the end, I actually welcome you on a journey of mastering the art of getting what you truly desire in life.